Have you ever wondered what would happen if the moon suddenly disappeared? Would we miss our natural satellite? This is a really interesting question because today we are going to steal. And you won't expect the result, so let's answer it. You don't want to miss other videos about our endless universe? Then like this video, follow this account, and turn on the post notifications if you don't want to miss other videos. However, let's start with the video. First of all, did you know that the moon is directly responsible for Earth to be livable? The moon controls the length of the day and ocean tides, which affect the biological cycles of life forms on our planet. The moon also contributes to Earth's climate by stabilizing Earth's spin axis, offering an ideal environment for life to develop and evolve. The first thing we would notice is that our night sky will get even darker, because a full moon is on average around 14,000 times brighter than the next brightest night sky object, Venus. So without it, every night would be as dark as a new moon, which means it will be an excellent sight to gaze at stars, because there would be no moonlight to interfere. But by the next morning, you would realize how important the moon is for life on Earth. Because our moon's gravitational force is responsible for causing tides in the oceans, so without it, high and low tides would shrink by an estimated 75%, leaving only the sun's gravity to do all the heavy lifting. Many sea animals rely on big tides. Think about crabs, starfish, mussels, and many others. Without tides, some of those animals would not survive. That would then have effect on other animal and plant ecosystems. However, for most of us, especially many animals, a missing moon could cause a lot of confusion. That's because natural animals like owls rely on both the darkness of night and a small amount of moonlight to hunt effectively. Without any light at night, prey would likely thrive, because predators would have a more challenging time locating them. This chaos would cause an ecological imbalance, which could cause the extinction of many predatory animals. And one day on Earth would only last 6 to 12 hours, and there could also be more than 1,000 days in 1 year. That's because Earth's rotation slows down over time thanks to the gravitational force, and without it, days would go by in a blink. And lastly, and probably the most worrying, the Earth's seasons could change substantially should the moon disappear. We humans experience seasons on the Earth, spring, summer, autumn, and winter, because the Earth is tilted. Relative to the plane we orbit the sun, Earth's tilt is about 23.5 degrees. It is the pull of the moon's gravity on the Earth that holds our planet in its place. Without the moon stabilizing our tilt, it is possible that the Earth's tilt could vary wildly. It would move from no tilt, which means no seasons, to a large tilt, which means extreme weather and even ice ages. But could we ever lose the moon? Scientists have found that the moon is slowly drifting away from the Earth.
Get out of here, man. I'm saying.
Earlier, it was assumed that the moon used to remain at a constant distance from Earth because of gravitational pull, but the new discovery has raised several questions about the moon. According to NASA, the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth by 3.8 centimeters per year. And this is a really average distance, right, boys? And the reason that the moon is slowly moving away from the Earth is due to the interaction of the moon's gravity with Earth's oceans. The moon exerts a gravitational force on the Earth which causes, the movement of the Earth's oceans to form a tidal bulge. Earth's rotation causes this tidal bulge to occur in a position which is slightly ahead of the moon in its orbit around the Earth, which causes some of the energy of the Earth's rotation to get transferred to the tidal bulge via friction. This friction results in a small amount of energy transfer into the moon's orbital motion, resulting in the moon being pushed to an orbit which is further away from the Earth. And for the end of the video, I just wanted to say thank you all for 100,000 subscribers. My long videos on YouTube sadly don't get as much views, and a lot of you asked me how I reach that much followers on YouTube. That's because of my YouTube short videos which get a lot of views. So if you are a true supporter, please like this video and turn on the post notification, or even share this video to your friends because I put a lot of work into my long YouTube videos. Okay, that was enough for today. I wish you all a wonderful day, and I also hope I see you again.